course, again in this video I'm going to show you how to recover your corrupted SD card, or maybe your SD card you have inserted it in phone on any device, but it can't show up. There is small problem, that's why it can't show up maybe. But this is 2 steps, so let's start step by step. 1, you must get your spirit. Like I have my spirit here, because the spirit we are going to use first. The reason why you are getting this problem, let me show you something small here. You can see here there is a how do you call it, something like meta or whatever. I don't know how I can explain it to you very well during my bad English, sorry. You can see here something is here like meta, or people call it good, but I don't really know is real good or what is here. This what is bringing you all your information on the SD card. So most of this problem is from here. Maybe you have breakings on them, so let's check it very well if we have breakings. Sorry. Okay, I don't think we have any breakings, or maybe it's because it makes dirty. So first use the spirit. First you need to use the spirit like this. Don't put it on it too much. This is a normal spirit, alcohol spirit, normal alcohol spirit, and try to use your hand to clean it gently, slowly. Try to use your hand to clean it. I prefer that you use your hand. After you use your hand to clean it, to clean the spirits on it, you can insert it. You can try to insert it in mobile phone, see if it's work or not. Okay, this is the first step. Use spirit to clean the metal, to clean here. This is the first step. Now let's go to the second step. The second step, you need blade. But here you must be very carefully. You need blade, but you must be very carefully. And come here and do it like this, gently. Scratch it gently. Don't be very carefully. So scratch it gently, all the legs. Be very carefully when you are doing this. Do it like this, gently, slowly, one by one. Till you can see now the, how do you call it, all the metal is brightened and looking nicer than before. So if you try this and still your memory is not show up, maybe your memory is 100% spoiled, it will not, I don't think it will go into working again, but this can help you fix it 50-50. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe so when I get any ideas about SD card or any hard disk, I can share with you. Thank you to watch the video. See you on my next video again.